This is freedom, people. This is what they call freedom. And I get a kick out of, you know what I get a kick out of? I get a kick out of these people commenting. I know they're trolls anyway, but these people commenting, oh, I would never buy from a puppy mill like you. And I'm like, a puppy mill? What are you kidding me? You ever look at look at these dogs. They're happy. They roam around for hours. They do whatever they want to do. You ever go to a kennel? Man, you can't even talk. They're barking so loud. And you don't think that dogs that just come in there are scared? Sure, they're scared. And what else happens there? If they don't sell them in a certain time, they kill them. Now that's a puppy mill. If I don't sell these dogs, guess what? I keep them until they grow old and die. I don't kill my dogs. So those who call me a puppy mill, you should reevaluate your term and go to a real shelter and see what they do to their dogs and see how unhappy they are and scared. Okay? Because my dogs are happy. And my dogs love me and they love the environment. Look at them. They're running around. They love it. They have freedom, people. That's what they have. So I just want to answer a question that people would, that I have a couple people, you know, they just don't like breeders, that's all. And they say anything that they want about breeders. But let me tell you something. You look at us, and then you go look at a shelter, a humane society shelter, guess what? The dogs don't do this. Trust me. And they're afraid to die, and they're screaming. That's a puppy mill. Yay! Rich Bowers! Look at these guys. They're beautiful. I'm here all day with these dogs. They're inside, outside. They're better than most people have them at their house. Yep. Look at them. You don't see one dog that's upset here. They want to go. The ones that are barking, I want to come into the dog park, but they're going to come later on. These dogs get half a day, and those dogs get half a day. So, but there's no dog here that's upset or scared or anything. So, if I was the trolls, I would reevaluate what a puppy mill really is. That's not a puppy mill. Look at that. That's not a puppy mill. Are you kidding me? That's love right there. And that's Coca-Cola with her puppies. Those two puppies are hers. So, this is Rich Bowers looking at these beautiful doggies, loving it up. They love it. They simply love it here. And I love them being here. Yeah. So this is, yeah, hi babies. Look at them. Look at them. They love it. So this is Rich Bowers from BowersAKCLabs. I'm going to sign off. And and God bless. God bless. God bless, baby. Right, Cloudy? You're a beautiful dog. I know, Daisy. You're beautiful too. Look at her. And there is Crypto, the man. You're producing a lot, Crypto, huh? And Pikachu, Moses, Martha, Rosie, Fruit Punch. We can go on and on and on. Okay, Rich Bowers, I gotta really go this time. I gotta finish up. But I just wanted to let everybody see the difference. Go to a shelter, people, and see what a puppy mill, a humane society shelter, and see what a puppy mill really is, and how their dogs are afraid to, if they don't get sold, they die. These dogs never die, and they're in great spirits. And they're up to date on their shots, and they get taken care of. Oh, I can go on, but I won't, because I'm just preaching. Okay, Rich Bowers from BowersAKCLabs signing off, and God bless.